Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana and a big happy Thanksgiving out there. So guys, I know that the Kroger ad, the new ad doesn't start until November 26th, so I'll have a video for you coming out at that point, but I wanted to put together a more must-do deals video for you for November 24th, and a lot of these deals will go through the 30th. Some of them are going to end on Thanksgiving, so you'll see as we go from sale to sale here. But I wanted to put this together for you because I know many of you are heading to the store, getting your Thanksgiving stuff ready to go, and you need a couple more deals to throw in there. So this is more must-do deals videos. Now, I'm not rehashing my deals from my first video last week, so definitely check that out if you haven't seen it already. But let's check out what is happening here in the next few days. It's a little bit crazy with the ad starting on Friday, and then we have some overlap of some deals. But make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss a video that I put out later. And yeah, let's check this all out. Okay, so I already told you about the 4 times the fuel points on gift cards. You want to make sure that's loaded and you're grabbing your gift cards as needed. Maybe you're going to use them for Christmas presents. Maybe you're just going to purchase them. I always suggest purchasing them. Like if you know you're going to be shopping at Target on Black Friday, go ahead and get some Target gift cards at Kroger and get 4 times the fuel points. So you're double dipping there, or maybe you're shopping at Kohl's, that type of thing. Then also a brand new digital came out, earn 3 times or 4 times the fuel points based on some purchases. So like there's produce and there's some other things there. So you want to clip that, just have it clipped, then purchase things like normal. You're going to get extra bonus points there on your fuel. It's going to be great. So you get that through November 28th. So that'll be through Monday there. All right, so let's check out other deals. Also, make sure that you don't forget about this freebie digital coupon that we got on Wednesday last week. You have 1 more week to use it through the 30th, so make sure that you put that on your list so you can grab your freebie. And then our toy purchase, 20% off toy purchase, ends on Thanksgiving. I personally have not used it yet. I have not even been to the toy aisle, so I think I'm going to have to go take a gander and see if there's anything that I want to grab for my kiddos for Christmas or whatever, so I can use that 20% off of that toy purchase. But I'm not going to buy just because I want to use the coupon. So we'll see. But anyway, if you haven't used that already, you just have a couple days left. I want to make sure you are aware of that. All right, let's talk about some freebies. This is a brand new freebie for you. The CG's yogurt, regularly priced $1.69. You're going to pay that out of pocket, but Ibotta just came out with a brand new offer. You're going to get $1.99 back on one. It's a limit of 1 time, so you're going to get this free, and you're going to make 30 cents in the process. I love Ibotta. They're amazing. I love the freebies that we get all the time, so really awesome deal here with the CG's yogurt. Next, let's talk about another freebie for us. So the Arnold or the Brownberry Ciabatta rolls, 6 count, regularly priced $3.99. Now my store doesn't carry the Arnold, it only carries the Brownberry, but it can go either way. Out of pocket, you're going to pay that $3.99, then submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. Then submit to Fetch for 100% back. Just be careful with your expiration date. Mine is expiring on the 25th. If you are watching this after the 25th, definitely check Fetch because sometimes it renews if you haven't purchased it and you get a longer amount of time. So you may actually be able to grab this for free after the 25th. Just double check your Fetch there. But it should be completely free and $1 moneymaker. So cool. Next, we have a deal on the Klondike Reese's ice cream bars, regularly priced $3.49. That's what you'll pay out of pocket, but then Fetch has 100% back. Mine expires on the 29th. I have seen this for a couple of weeks now, and I just haven't picked mine up. I keep forgetting when I go to the store, and it keeps renewing. So double check your Fetch and see when it expires, but your final cost will be completely free after that 100% back. Okay, so I want to make sure you do remember about the Hellmann's sauces. If you didn't remember or if you didn't see my video last week, I did have this in there. There are several different kinds of Hellmann sauces that you can grab that are regularly priced $4.49 that are on sale for $2.99, and you'll pay that out of pocket. Then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one 5 times per sauce. So you could grab all of the same sauce, or you could actually grab different sauces. Then you can submit to Fetch for $22.50 in points. That's up to 5 times as well. So your final cost is completely free and a 26-cent moneymaker. If you happen to grab all 5 sauces, you're going to get all 5 for free and make $1.30. So really, really awesome deal there. Next, we have the Triscuits. You want to grab 2 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $2.99. They're part of the 5-time digital coupon sale, so you'll have $1 off one that will come off of each one. So out of pocket, you're going to pay for both of boxes $3.98. Then you can submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on 2. It's a limit of 1 time. Final cost is going to be $3.23 total, or $1.62 each. And again, with Thanksgiving come up, you may have a cheese and cracker tray or something like that out, or maybe you're in charge of the cheese and cracker tray. That's kind of what I like to do. I like to do the simple things. If that's the case, you want to grab these for a really cheap deal. Now, you could also combine the Triscuit deal with this deal because it is the same 5-time digital coupon. So you could grab 2 of the Triscuits and 2 of these Ritz. So you want to grab either the Ritz cheese crispers or the crisp and thin crackers. Now, you could even do 1 of each, 1 cheese crispers and 1 crisp and thin. So it just depends, but you have to buy 2 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced anywhere from $2.99 to $3.99. So the crisp and thins are a little bit more expensive. However, they're all going to be priced at $2.99 this week. There's the $1 off one 5-time digital coupon, so that brings you down to $1.99 each. So out of pocket, you're going to pay $3.98. Submit to Ibotta for, again, 75 back on 2. It's a limit of 1 time. Final cost is going to be $3.23 total, or just $1.62 each. So again, you can choose to do all of the Triscuits and the Ritz in the same transaction, because that 5-time digital coupon will work on 5 items and you'll have 4. So that'll work out perfectly. Next deal, are you going to need some napkins at Thanksgiving? Probably. And how about some elegant ones? All right, so Kroger Elegant Napkins, 100 count, regularly priced $1.79, on sale for $1.29 each. And we have the 50-cent off one 5-time digital coupon, making the final cost for these just 79 cents. Really great deal here, especially if you're needing some really nice looking napkins for your Thanksgiving meal. Okay, I think this deal is off the hook. So Persil laundry detergent. So you can either get the discs or you can get the liquid laundry detergent there that are regularly priced $14.99. Okay, so there's 3 off for the sale price. So you're getting 3 off there for $11.99 each. Then load the 3 off one 5-time digital coupon. Okay, so that's going to take you down to $8.99, and then you can stack it with a 3 off one from Save 1114. So the digital coupon is a store coupon, and the one from Save 1114 is a manufacturer coupon. So your final cost is going to be $5.99. You're basically taking off $9 from the original price. Really great deal here, especially if you like Persil. So I highly recommend grabbing this deal. You need some medicine. You know, those family members are coming over for Thanksgiving and you know you're going to have a bad headache, right? We have some pain reliever tablets, the Excedrin, 24 count, regularly priced $4.49. We have $1.50 off one in Save 11.7. So your final cost would be $2.99 each. Yep, you know you're going to need these. You might as well go ahead and grab them on a deal. Next, we have the Vital Proteins Collagen Water. So for this deal, you want to grab 3 of them this week. They're regularly priced $2.99, but they're on sale for $2.50 each. And we have a buy 2, get 1 digital coupon. So you're only going to pay $5 total, or it's going to be $1.67 each, as opposed to paying almost $3 per bottle. So great deal there. Okay, really awesome deal that is going on between Fetch and a Unilever deal that's happening. So this week, when you purchase 2 Unilever products, you're going to get a $2 Catalina back on your next transaction, and it's running through December 1st, okay? So you want to grab 2 of the Suave body washes for this deal. These are regularly priced $1.99. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $3.98, and then you should receive a $2 Catalina that spits out at the end of your transaction. If you're not familiar with what Catalinas are, there's that little machine that prints off coupons and things when you're done shopping. So you'll have one that gives you the receipt and another one that gives you these coupons. So it should spit out there $2. Then you can submit to Fetch. Now Fetch has 750 points back up to 5 times. Now mine is expiring on the 24th, so double check yours, and also double check the day after. So look on the 25th, that kind of thing. A lot of times you'll see it pop back up if it hasn't been used. So that's basically 75 cents each. So I'll get, if you're doing 2 at a time, you get that $2 Catalina back, and then you'll also get $1.50 back from Fetch. So final cost is going to be just 24 cents each. Really, really awesome deal on some body wash. We also have the Energizer batteries, AA or AAA, regularly priced $5.79. They're on sale for $3.99 each. You want to use the $1.50 off one in Smart Source 1114, or there is a $1 off one digital coupon that you can use, but your final cost will be $2.49. Alright guys, not a very long video, but enough to give you some new deals that you may want to head to the store and grab, especially if you're already heading out to grab those Thanksgiving items. Have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving. I will be back with you after Thanksgiving. I will talk to you later. Bye guys.